In this video, we're going to show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So let's start off with the ingredients you'll need for this dish. Well, you're going to need some bread, some peanut butter, and your favorite jelly. So let's first untie our bread bag, and we're going to remove 2 slices of bread. Make sure you skip the end. Make sure you leave the end piece in there. No one wants that. Then we're going to grab a clean knife and grab some peanut butter. We're going to go with the creamy version this time around. And we're just going to grab a healthy dose of it. And we're just going to spread it evenly across all over the sides. We're going to need a little bit more than that. Just put all the peanut butter on there, so it can easily spread across. Make sure you get it all the way across the edges. And now I like to kind of wipe the excess off there. And we're going to grab our jelly. So we got some Concord grape jelly, and we're just going to put amount that we desire. I guess that's maybe a little bit too much, but we'll rock with that. And this same thing, spread across evenly. Boom. And now once we have both sides evenly applied, we're going to press the piece of bread together. And there you have the sandwich. And there you have it, how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Thanks for watching.